to All Things with Tips. So today I will be doing my hair half up in braids and then half down in a deep wavy hair. So if you saw my last video, I just took my braids out and then I went through my shampoo / wash routine. So now I am doing another style. So I went to the beauty supply store today and I purchased the Easy Braid, this here. So I got 2 packs just in case. And I also purchased the Milky Way Human Hair Mastermix. And this is in a deep wave 12-inch in the color 2. I also wanted to try this. This is the Shine and Jam. It's new. They have it in different scents. So the scent for this one is the Blueberry Blast, and it's an extra hold and extra shine. It says the max hold is 10. I also saw that it had no alcohol. It also said non-flaking in its conditioning. It provides the extra control along with conditioning. So we're gonna try that out today on my edges. And I still have a little bit of the Shine and Jam for braiders, for the, call it the Edge Magic for braiders. So I'm gonna use that on my parts. And I have my glue. I also have a little bit of the Weave Wonder Cap or Wonder Wrap. I only have a little bit, so I'm gonna use as much as I can. I'm just gonna need it for this portion in the back, so hopefully I will have enough. And then I have my spritz here, and then I have my blow dryer, and then I'm gonna use a cap for the back. So hopefully that should be enough protection. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair up in the back, and then I will be right back with you guys. Oh, one more thing. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. How did I forget? And if you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you go ahead and continue to support. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and ring that notification bell. So I'll see you guys in just a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start prepping my hair. I'm not going to do too much talking throughout this video because it is pretty much self-explanatory. But if you do have any questions about any of the products that I use or anything else, just shoot me a comment down below. And then also guys, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you towards the end. Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to jump in here. I did decide, well, while I was at the beauty supply store, I picked up like a deep wavy braiding hair to match the deep wavy hair that I have in the back. But it was like $6.99 a pack. I was being like super cheap, and I decided to just get the other hair. But it did not curl the way I wanted to. It didn't wave up because I was trying to braid it and get it to wave up and blend with the curly hair, and it did at first, but it did not last. So I would suggest that if you do try this style, to just go ahead and spend the extra couple dollars and get the wavy hair. It'll last much longer, and you won't have to worry about, trying to braid the hair up and then go and try to set it with the hot water or the rollers, because it just was not staying for me like I wanted to. I did end up purchasing some beads later on, and so I just ended up wearing beads on the end of it, but I did not wear this style as long as I wanted to because of the way the braids were, and also the hair was a cheap grade of hair. It was like the human with the synthetic mix. So I was just trying this style, so I just bought, some cheap hair just to try it out and see how it was going to go. I did like it at first, but it did not last the way I wanted it to. So if you're just going for a look that you maybe want for a week or so, I would say this is the perfect hair and style for you to get. But I just recommend buying a better grade of hair if you want it to last a little bit longer. Guys, thank you so much for watching until this point. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. Thank you guys so much for your support, and keep watching. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you so much for your support. If you have not subscribed by now, it doesn't cost you a thing. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video. I will see you guys next time. You know what it is. Peace. Stay blessed.